Yeah, hi all. So, in this module, in this course, we are going to be learn Power BI. So, I will introduce the concept of the Power BI, why we required, and what is the reason to working with the Power BI concept. And also, we'll go into the how to install the Power BI desktop and how does that going to be very helpful while doing some visualization and hand over to your end users. Suppose you have already learned something related to the SQL and Excel and some business statistics. So these tools will help us to understand some analysis in practical oriented analysis in practical oriented. But what will happen eventually at the end, your end user may want to visualize the thing somehow better to understand the revenue, to understand the budgets, to understand the number of the people and how much loss, how much profit. So these things will matter at the end for any kind of the business. If you take any kind of the business, if you take these things will be matter for the in the end, right? To visualize the things much better automatically for every year or every month or any sake of the thing like. So what exactly this Power BI is going to be very helpful. So you train your data sets corresponding to some of the ETL jobs, to train your data sets corresponding to your ETL jobs that will be handover with corresponding to the other teams in the organization. Once you transform your data, what you have to do, you have to take that consideration and storing into your Power BI to get some different kind of the visualizations. At the end users, once you publish this Power BI dashboards, once you publish this Power BI dashboard, the end users will take up these dashboards and try to himself, analyze himself. So based on the requirement, based on the strategy we have to follow with the Power BI concepts, which is very powerful. I would say Power BI is a very popular nowadays when compared to the Tableau and some other tools. So what will happen eventually? The Power BI concept is came into the picture when you wanted to visualize the things much better. Even you can visualize the things in Python. That will take some lot of the code to write, but in the Power BI you have to extract or you have to draw the functionalities. That's it. You have to draw the functionalities. So let's go and check out how does the Power BI tool going to be installed. So we had two different things here, and one is Power BI desktop and another is Power BI online. So Power BI desktop, where you're going to be create some of the dashboards and some of the tabs. Power BI online, once you published your desktop, Power BI online, once you publish your desktop, it will be going to present all the required things with corresponding to the different tabs. So that end user will be allowed for the online because you don't require to go into the desktop right at the time of visualizing the things or developing the Power BI. So we'll go and see how does that going to works out and what are the different functionalities we have, how to productionize these kind of the models. So Power BI installation.